everyone. So today I'm trying out the Catrice Primer and Fine Goodbye Pores Primer. It's supposed to blur out your pores. So I have a lot of pores around my nose, like the two sides of my nose, and I have a bit of texture on my cheeks as well. So I'll be trying it on those areas, but for this video I'll only be trying it out on my right side. So that will be your left side. Like a first impression, trying it on for the first time and everything, I don't really see much of a difference with my pores. I think I can still see them, but it definitely made my like textured area a lot smoother. To the touch it feels very smooth and soft, but pores it didn't really do much, I think. But I'm gonna anyway do the rest of my face, the usual that I do, and let's see how it goes. So after baking and everything, this is again the side with the primer, and this is the side without the primer. So like half of the video my camera for some reason focused on my fingers and the mirror thingy. I didn't see that till I was editing the video, so really sorry about that. Lips, I'm using Colourpop shade Love Bug and Flying Horses. I'm all done. Set the face and done everything. I don't think this actually blurs out your pores, so I don't think it works like that, because like for me both sides looks the same. It doesn't look like that I have used any pore filling primer. But for making your skin smooth, it does work. But for pores, nah, it's a no.